How to blur photo in Instagram story. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then, click on your story at the top. Select the image you want to blur and click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Draw. After you've clicked on Draw at the top, select the third option. Then simply hold on to the image, which will open this effect. And if you want to blur it only in some spaces, you can simply draw in there and it will be blurred. But this is not an actual blur filter. So what you can do is go to Play Store, search HiPic Photo Editor, and then install this app. After this app is installed, open the app and click on the picture you want to blur. In here at the bottom, click on Filters. In Filters, scroll down to the Effects and then click on Effects. Then at the top, click on Blur. You'll find different kinds of blur. Simply select the blur you prefer and press on Export at the top, and then it will save your photo. After it's done, open Instagram and add this to your story. This is how to blur photo in Instagram story. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.